We'll be covering up with the Muslim laws important questions as part of your All India Bar examination, a very short rapid revision round. We'll be covering all the important questions from Muslim law. And I want to tell that having Bar Act also, there's no particular point of this particular subject, because maximum you'll be getting 2 to 3 questions maximum over here. But Bar Act certain times will not be helping you, but there are certain concepts you understand. That's more than enough. So now we'll be starting, and also I want to tell that please to join our WhatsApp group. I'll be dropping the link in the description box so that you can also be part of it, and we can also share you extra materials for your preparation. Muslim law, first one is about Islamic law is formally contained in Quran, Hadith, Ijma, Qiyas, all of the above. The answer is the Muslim Islam law is formally contained in which one? The Islam law is formally contained in all the things in Quran, Hadith, Ijma, and Qiyas. They have said about this Muslim law. So answer is all of the above. All right. So now the Hadith is one of the sources of Muslim law. It comprises of what? Hadith is one of the sources of Muslim law. It comprises of the words and actions of the Prophet. It consists of what? The words and actions of the Prophet. So jo bhi teachings of Prophet is there. Everything composition is basically there in Hadith. Just remember this particular word. Like 2 days is there, you'll be aramse able to remember. What is the meaning of the batil mean marriage in Muslim law? Batil marriage is nothing but the void marriage. They're considered to be the void marriage. All right. Mutta under the Mohammedan law means what? It's a temporary marriage. So I'll tell you, okay. So there are two kinds of Muslims. One is Shia Muslim and second one is Sunni Muslim. In the Sunni Muslim is basically the majority Muslims. Okay. Shia Muslims are very minority Muslims. Sunni Muslims are the majority Muslims. The Shia Muslims are the minority Muslims. So what in this in Mutta, it's a temporary marriage. So in Mutta, like I said, Shia is actually the small minority community. Sunni is the majority. Many people are there. Whereas the marriage of Shia people are not being recognized by the Sunni people. Remember that. So the temporary marriage, it's only been recognized by this Mutta communities. Remember, Mutta marriage is for the Shia people and it is a temporary marriage. A marriage with a woman before completion of her iddat is irregular. What do you mean by iddat? When we just tell in few simple terms, and if there is a woman, she's a Muslim woman, or if there is a death of her husband or there is a divorce of her, 3 months after that particular period, either a death of her husband or the divorce, 3 months after that respective period, she cannot, for God's sake, she cannot do any kind of remarriage. Only after 3 months she can do. But in that 3 months, if she is doing any particular marriage, it will be considered as irregular. Very simple. Okay. Now, the Dissolution of Muslim Marriage Act 1936 is based on the school of Muslim law. Which school of Muslim law? It is based on the Maliki school of Muslim law. It's based on what? It's based on the Maliki school of Muslim law. In which following cases, the Supreme Court in 2017 declared the pronouncement of talaq 3 times at a time by Muslim husband as unconstitutional. So, for example, if a husband is telling talaq, talaq, talaq 3 times, then divorce would have been happened. This is against actually the constitution plus equality to everything. So they struck down this particular thing. In which case was it? It was in Sharia Banu versus Union of India case. Do not forget it without fail. Very, very, very important case. In the Shah Banu case, what was it? It was about the maintenance of divorced Muslim women under Section 125 of the CRPC. This particular section was dealing about Section 125 of the CRPC mentioned about maintenance of divorced Muslim women. Now, what is the contract of marriage which may be dissolved by wife under the power delegated to her? For example, if I'm a Muslim husband, I'm giving the power for my wife to conduct a divorce for me. That delegated power is called as talaq-e-tafis. Okay, it's called as talaq-e-tafis. All right. The Mubarat under the Muslim law refers to what? The Mubarak, just remember these terms. You have to by heart it. Few terms, that's it. Dissolution of marriage with mutual consent is the right answer. Okay. Dissolution of marriage with mutual consent. In which ground of divorce, wife has to pay a compensation in order to get a divorce from a husband. So it's actually the kula. Okay. So what do you mean by kula? The wife has to pay some money for the divorce. So wife has to pay some money for the divorce is actually kula. So remember, Mubarak means what? Mubarak, dissolution of marriage with mutual consent. So there is a dissolution of marriage by mutual consent between husband and wife is considered to be this one. All right. So these are the 10 list of questions. Please do learn as part of your Muslim law. We have already completed in the previous video about the Hindu law also. You have to refer. It's actually 4 to 5 minutes short rapid revision of this Muslim law now. Make sure that you're getting 3 marks without fail. Wish you all the best. Good luck for your upcoming All India Bar examination. Take care. Goodbye. This is me, Pavan, signing off. And if you have any doubts, comments, please do let me know. Only then I'll be having motivation to make more videos. Okay. So please do let me know in the comments. Thank you.